My name's John Yerka. I'm a repair expert here at PJ Fitzpatrick. I was hired in 2018 and I live in Woodbury Heights, New Jersey. I'll tell you, the best thing I like here, working here at PJ Fitzpatrick, is being able to give the customers that I work for the best possible work they can get done, and the fact that PJ takes care of their customers and their employees. My hobbies include youth football. I'm a coach for youth football. I also juggle all my kids' sports, and I fish. My biggest achievement is got to be my family, my wife Christy, and my two kids, Carolyn and Jack. My favorite charity is an organization called Choices of the Heart. It's a nonprofit organization that deals with pregnancy awareness. It offers pregnancy tests, ultrasounds, free. And it's just a charity that I've been dealing with or been a part of for several years.